Oh, looking nice.
Hello guys, I'm Noisy War and welcome back to the channel. In the last two videos we installed the tires and did the unboxing, and in this one we will install the rotors. This one is a pretty simple video if you are total noob for bikes. This video is perfect for you. Here we have two brand new wheels that we built in our first video. Also we have two brand new disc rotors.
We have the hubs here. So this one is 203 millimeters. We have 6 bolts here. Oh, looking nice. The last bolt. Okay, now to tight the bolts. Okay, we have finished the rear vehicle, so now we will install on the front vehicle. Okay, just do it like this. Okay, here we are. This is the front rotor, front disc. It's 220 millimeters and should sit like this. Oh, looking nice. Okay. First. And the last one.
Okay guys, we just installed our brand new rotors, and in the next video we will continue how to install the SRAM GX cassette on an XD body, and very soon you will be able to see what kind of monster we are building here. Okay guys, before I finish I want to say thank you for the support all this time. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Peace.